Hello student, now the new topic, naming of amines. The suffix of amines is also amine, A-M-I-N-E. This is a suffix. Now the functional group of amine is single bond NH2. Because of single bond is what? The valency of nitrogen is 3. So there is a 2 hydrogen and 1 bond. It means there is a valency of nitrogen is 3. Now first topic is identification of primary, secondary and tertiary amine, and how to identify if this compound is primary and the second compound is secondary and the third compound is tertiary. Okay, so now in this case nitrogen, you focus only for nitrogen. The nitrogen attached with only one carbon. Nitrogen attached with only one carbon. It means this is a 1 degree amine. Yeah. Now there is nitrogen attached with one carbon. Yeah, clear? So this is 1 degree, any primary. Now there in this compound nitrogen attached with 2 carbon. Yeah, because of the valency of nitrogen is 1, 2 and hydrogen is 3. So nitrogen attached with 2 carbon. It means this is a 2 degree amine. And the same nitrogen attached with 3 carbon. It means this is a 3 degree. Yeah, clear? Nitrogen attached with only one carbon. Yeah, nitrogen attached with only one carbon, it is 1 degree amine. Now there is nitrogen attached with 2 carbon. It means there is a 2 degree. Nitrogen is attached, not hydrogen, because the valency of nitrogen is 3, 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, clear? So this is the identification of primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Now suppose you have benzene ring. Suppose this is a cyclohexane. Yeah, now there is NH2 group. So now this is what, 1 degree or 2 degree? 1 degree. Nitrogen attached with only one carbon. So this is also 1 degree. Clear? Now suppose there is benzene ring. So this is also a 1 degree amine. Clear? Okay. Now the IUPAC name. Okay. So now the IUPAC name, the suffix is amine. Now one carbon is there, it means what? Methane. And E replaced by, because of A, E, I, O, U and Y. So now the formula of spelling of methane, METHANE. So E replaced by A, na? So what is the name? Methane. And E replaced by amine, to methanamine. Yeah, clear? The same, there's 1, 2, there's a 2 carbon. 2 carbon means ethane. And E replaced by amine. This is ethanamine. And the same, nitrogen attached with 2 carbon. In this case, nitrogen, there's a longest chain and there's a single only 1 carbon. So you consider the long chain term 1, 2. Now nitrogen attached with this carbon, there is no long chain, na? So this side is a long chain and that side is only 1 carbon. So how to write the IUPAC name? So first you write N, and then after this is a substituent. Now this is a substituent. So N methyl. Yeah, clear? This part is clear. And how many carbon is there in longest chain? 2. So 2 means ethane. Ethane. And E replaced by amine. Ethanamine. Clear? 100%? Okay. Now this side, both side carbons are same. Now there is a 2 carbon. This is also 2 carbon. So now 1, 2. So N attached with this substituent and C2H5. C2H5 is what? Ethyl. So N ethyl. And the same, there's a 2 carbon. It means ethanamine. Clear? 100%? Okay. In the same again, nitrogen attached with this carbon. Yeah. So what is the longest chain? Now how to write? Okay, now there is a longest chain. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, because this side NH2 group is near. So 1, 2, 3 and then 4. 4 is what? 4 is butane, and E replaced by amine. So there's an NH2 group in second carbon, so butane 2 amine, butane 2 amine. Yeah, clear? Okay. In the next, there's a longest chain and there's a 2 methyl group. You know very well the valency of nitrogen is 3, 1, 2, 3. So there's a longest chain, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And N contained with 2 methyl group. So you write N comma N. Yeah. Now suppose there's a carbon, so it means CH3 1 comma 1, है ना? So in the case of nitrogen, there's a 2 methyl group, so you write N comma या N dash. N comma N या N comma N dash. There's a 2 methyl group. 2 methyl group means dimethyl, and there the longest chain is what? 4 carbon. It means butane, and E replaced by amine, butanamine. Clear? Okay. Now there's a double bond, there's a simple carbon chain, so you know very well the priority of double bond is greater than single bond. So 1, 2. Now how many carbon is in this side? 1, 2, 3. So N what? There's a 3 carbon, so N propyl. N propyl. Yeah? N propyl. And how many carbon in this side? There's a 2 carbon. It means it 1 ene, and E replaced by amine. So 1 amine. Clear? 100%? Okay. Now same in this case, there's a triple bond, so 1, 2, and in this side 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, so 4 means butyl. So N butyl, and how many carbon in this side? 2. It 1 YN, not E. Ine 1 amine. Clear? 100%? Okay. Clear? Now the next, the 9th example. Now in this case there's a longest chain. In this side nitrogen is near 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now this side N contain 2 substituent. The N bromo be first and M is the last. Na? So N bromo, okay, N bromo. Then after N methyl. Clear? 100%? N bromo, N methyl, and the longest chain 6 carbon. It means hexane, and E replaced by amine. Hexane and nitrogen attached with 3rd carbon, 3 amine. Clear? 100%? Okay. Now in this case again the longest chain is what? 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2, same. So now the 1, 2, this is the longest, and N contain 1 methyl, and this is also 1, 2. Yeah? Clear? And the same in this case there is a 1, 2, 3. This is the longest. Okay, this is the longest chain, this is not. So N contain what? N contain methyl and ethyl group. These are the substituent. This is substituent and this is substituent. So this is a methyl and this is ethyl. So first ethyl is there, alphabetically arrangement. So N ethyl, then after N methyl. Yeah, and now there is a 3 carbon and N attached with 2nd carbon. So 3 carbon is a propane. Yeah, and E replaced by amine. In which carbon? nitrogen is there, the second to 2 amine. Clear? Okay. In this case, there's a double bond, there's a single bond, so you know very well the priority of double bond is first. 1, 2, 3. Count from this side because nitrogen is there. This is a functional group. Okay. Now there's a N. This is a substituent. This is also substituent. So this is methyl and this is propyl. So M first. So first you write N M. Pehle M. First M, N methyl, and then after N propyl, and there's a 3 carbon and double bond is there. It means prop. And which carbon double bond? 1. Prop 1 ene, and E replaced by amine. 1 amine. Clear? Okay. Now the last example of amine, there's a triple bond, there's a double bond. You know very well the same carbon have double bond or triple bond. So the priority of double bond is first. So 1, 2. So this is what? Substituent. Yeah, this is substituent. This is also substituent. So this is a ethinyl. The N ethinyl. Yeah, ethinyl, and N methyl. The last is there's a 2 carbon. It means it 1 ene and 1 amine. Clear? 100% clear? Okay. Now this is a topic of amine. And then after the next topic is polyfunctional group. Okay. Thank you.